Hi there, today I want to go through redoing your cover page, and this is called Cover Page 2.0. So we're used to seeing just a kind of really bland white, pretty boring white background with some black text on here, and this is the showcase for our courses on Seqta. It is the only place where parents will be able to see what it is that we're doing. So there's a few extra things that I've done in here that I want to point out. Firstly is a title. Now you notice when you come in here over on the right hand side, you've got all of these things that you can drag in to here. So the first thing on this first block is a title. So if you just click and drag in there, you can then give the name to the title. Now I would use the same name as you're giving the title of the program. So if I just copy and paste that in there and then just click on apply, you'll see you have a nice title. Anytime, of course, that you want to delete, you've got the little trash can icon and you can click on delete there. Anytime you want to see what this is going to look like for parents or students, just click the preview button and then it will show you what we can see. So what have we got in here? We've got a title. We've got this, what's called an advanced layout here. So what I did is, I'll just pop this out. I went to advanced layout and I just clicked and drag in here. And with the advanced layout, you can then choose equal, left or right, and you can see I've got these different areas. Now once I've got these areas here, let's make it an equal thing. I can then, what can I put in there? I could put a title in there, I could put text in this side on the right hand side over here, and I could put some pictures on the left hand side. So that would be a resource. So if I click and drag that into the left hand side of this advanced layout, there we go, and drop it in there, and now I can start adding files and adding pictures in there if I want to. So these are images that I've already put in previously, so I've chosen those images, clicked on apply. Those images then appear on the left hand side, and over here on the right hand side I can add some text over here. Okay, so this is called advanced layout, and you can put two things side by side, and as you see I've got some options about how that's laid out as well. Alright, so if I hit the little cog icon, I can change the way that that looks, left or right sidebar. See, the next one down here is just a resource that I've added, which is one of these ones here, and this is just a scrolling picture gallery, so I've just added a number of pictures. If I hit the cog icon, you will see that I can get links, cards or a slideshow. So I've chosen the images, I've added the images in there, and I've chosen that this is a slideshow, so this will automatically rotate through as well. I could just choose cards or links as well, but that is what that one looks like. I've got some text in here as well. You can see I've got a PDF file that I've uploaded. That was just a resource that I've put on here, and I've chosen to display there. So you've got the text beside the PDF. This one here again is just some text, and the bottom one here is just another PDF that people can see. See, it's displayed a little bit differently from that other one there. Let's say I wanted to add a video, I could do that as well. So if I just go external web content and drop that one in there, now it's looking for a URL. So if I go over to YouTube and let's say I've found this video that I want to put in there, all I do is I copy the URL of that video, go back over here and paste that URL in and go apply. It will then, if I scroll down, display my video in the cover page here. The very last thing is, the thing that makes this look really nice is the theme. So at the top here on the right hand side you have themes. If I hit the drop down arrow, you can see there is a bunch of themes that you can apply to the page that will change the text, it'll change the background image, etc, etc. So if I just click on this one here, you can see the text changes, the background image changes, the text is now black. This is a theme that I developed for 7 Habits. This is one kind of a futuristic theme. So there's all kinds of themes that you can play around with here that look really good. I've got some here for music. There's a theme for PE. There's a theme for maths, all of those sorts of things. So that's the last thing, is applying a theme which will make the page look really, really nice as well. So last thing to be aware of is that if you want to put a table in here, the best way to go is to put in the normal legacy editor here. So over here we've got the legacy editor. Unfortunately a table doesn't look fantastic in the normal text one, So you have to chuck in the legacy editor and then you'll be able to get the table in there. There it is, some updates to the way that the cover page is displayed in Seqta.